The Kärcher K5 Premium Pressure Washer is a high-power electric pressure washer offering a robust 2,000 pounds per square inch of pressure for effective and tough cleaning jobs. With a patented water-cooled induction motor, the Kärcher K5 is designed to extend the product's life expectancy up to 5 times, providing excellent longevity. The pressure washer features an adjustable Vario spray wand for light-duty tasks and a patented Dirt Blaster spray wand for superior cleaning performance on hard-to-clean surfaces. The K5 comes with a 25-foot kink-resistant high-pressure hose, which offers ample reach for cleaning, and an onboard pressurized hose reel for easy storage. The Kärcher K5 also includes an onboard removable detergent tank, allowing easy application of soap with an adjustable flow dial to control the amount of detergent applied. Backed by a 2-year limited warranty, the Kärcher K5 is a top-of-the-range pressure cleaner that promises cleaner, quicker results, making it an ideal outdoor cleaning companion for demanding homeowners.